First impressions, what do you think?
Oh, my heart rate's about $180 right now.
Just $180?
Well, it might be a little more. It's fantastic. You don't have to do anything to go in this car. Literally barely touching the throttle. Incredible. And you can hear it right there. It just sings to you.
Yeah, that whine.
Absolutely sings.
Gotta love the whine.
Oh, for sure. I mean, everything feels tight. Love the steering. Brakes feel phenomenal. Just trying to get acclimated to everything. There's a lot of gadgets, controls in here that we haven't even touched the surface on, I don't think. But so far, so good.
Sweet.
It's amazing this exhaust is street legal, honestly.
All right, Rob, almost halfway point. What do we think so far?
Oh, car's incredible. My heart rate still hadn't come down yet. It's I think we've only gone positive boost once or twice, and just insane, just insane. Our fuel economy is not well. I reset it. We're at 18 right now. We got 129 mile an hour, 129 mile range right now, but obviously we're babying it before
pump gas.
Yep, with pump gas. So fantastic feeling car though. The transmission downshifts perfectly. Obviously throttle response is incredible. This noise is incredible this thing makes.
The noise is insane.
Yeah, on braking downshifts, it just knows exactly when to do it. It's incredible. I'm super impressed with it so far. It's comfortable. These seats are nice. Everything just feels perfect for a drag car. How's it feel from that side?
You can't describe it. It's wild. That's it. Yep. Just wild.
Alrighty, got Josh pulling out of a fancy 7-Eleven here in his first go around here. First time. The seat almost went up far enough for him to touch the pedals.
We had to go in the store and buy some.
Yeah, we got a booster seat. We're good. My heart rate's coming down now, but I'm sure his is in the process of going up. So
we shall see. I'm going to wait on the light.
We got quite a line of traffic coming right now. And here we go. Let's see how she sounds. Damn good. Damn good.
That's a whole lot real quick.
That's a whole hell of a lot. Sounds amazing. Well, what was that feeling like?
All heart rate's up now.
Love it. How'd our mileage do on that? It probably suffered a skosh.
Oh, you dropped down to 118 on your
Oh,
range.
that was quick. Yeah, when a gallon of fuel you can't get back. So, going through the fancy screens here. I found the chiller button there. We haven't tried that out yet. I'm not sure. We got to do a little reading on that to see how that gets incorporated into things right now. But we'll see. We got the race cool down mode. All sorts of different items on here to look at. Trans brake, launch control, chiller, shift light, race cool down, active line lock. I mean, it's going to be a learning experience. But so far so good. It's looking nice. Looking real nice. Well, we're trying to make a nice little run there, but we have our
Prius still in front of us.
Ecologically friendly, slow ass driving Prius. Trying to be mindful of the law enforcement today because of prior to Thanksgiving. That was nice. Yeah, the one thing I'd like to do on the next pickup, it'd be fun to take all the cars each time we go, to take another one with us, and so we have a whole convoy coming up the road.
Dude,
that'd be a cool image for sure. Finishing the final leg of this journey home here with this thing, and we both have a lot to learn for sure.
Absolutely.
So another fun observation I noticed, at least, is how the rear suspension in this thing will just, I mean, squat flat. It's incredible. I mean, even if you're coming out of a corner or whatever, it just, you feel it evenly just squats. It really feels perfect.
Yeah, just pulling out on the road, first thing, I felt it pull down.
Yep. I mean, I just can't imagine on the track when you got a sticky surface and a well prepped track.
Yeah,
it is gonna grab and go. What do you think, Josh? After a couple minutes driving now?
Man, I'm falling in love. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, it's bad car for sure.
Bad in such a good way. You ready?
Yep. There we go. Nice pull. Good stuff. Thought that was a copper there for a second. What gear were you in on that one, or
Dropped down to the 5th and then led into 6 halfway through.
Nice. Yeah, I can't even describe the power in this thing. It's just effortless, but it feels so refined.
Yes, this is nothing like what we grew up with.
No, I mean, this thing at idle's making more power than what we had then.
Yeah.
Really just an incredible piece. Oh, God, it sounds so good.